Welcome everybody, this is Gordon McDonald, West Coast Swing Amsterdam. Today we're going to talk about pacing yourself while you're dancing. Normally we are talking about 8 counts. Yeah, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the things that you can hear in the music. Well, West Coast Swing has 6 counts. And there are a couple of patterns who are also basic 8 counts, but we basically are dancing on only 2 beats, only the up and down beat. So if you're going to hear something that sounds like or feels like a question and an answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we still are trying to focus on the 1 and 2. And the next segment is going to be a 3 and a 4, and a 5 and a 6, and etc. What I would like to test today, and what we'd like you to practice today, is how can I show myself some restraint while marching through all of those beats. What you can do is the following. If we're going to have odd numbers, which are 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the ones that you can just place your feet in there. The moment that you are at the even numbers, the 2, 4, 6, 8, these are the moments that you should basically pause yourself a little bit. And in a minute you will also understand why. So for example, let's do a left side pass. If I will be doing a left side pass and I will just marching through everything, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 as a follower. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. What I would like to do is emphasizing what exactly is this downbeat. So the 1s, 3, 5 and 7. And what exactly would be the even numbers. So it's going to be the 2, 4, 6 and 8 and so forth. So what I'm going to do, the moment that I would like to, let's do the left side pass again. I'm going to do a 1, it's going to be a normal one, and then I pause on the 2. Watch what happens. 1, 2, and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So now you can see that we have this entirely different dimension in our dance. We're not marching anymore through our patterns, but now we are actually making some subtle suggestions on how we are going to feel the music. Okay, so let's, for example, let's do a sugar push. The sugar push, I'm going to do it in front of facing the camera. Okay, so here we go. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So in my wording you can also hear that I'm trying just to slow it a little bit down, like I'm stretching it more than what I was doing with the 1, the 3s, the 5, the 7 and so forth. Okay, so again it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 2 things that you can take from this and the way that you are able just to get it in your system is you step through it first and then make a deliberate action to go through those 4s, so I'm sorry, to the 2s, the 4s, the 6 and the 8s. Okay, so it's going to be 1 slow down, 3 and 4, 5 slow down, 1, 2, 3 slow down, 5 and 6. Okay, this will definitely help you just to maintain that dimension that you would love to translate from the music into your body, to your partner. This will make a world of a difference. Okay, good. So good luck with your studies. Hopefully this whole explanation makes some sense. Just keep practicing, because these type of things are really going to make your arsenal more expanded. Okay, good luck everybody, and see you till next time. Bye.